Hi, in this presentation I want to show you how you can create an online multiple choice assessment using our Astria learning management system. Now here are certain things you need to make sure you have before you can actually go online to start working on this. First, I advise that you type all the 10 multiple choice questions in Microsoft Word. You can do that offline. Once you've done that, you can move on and open the website page for LBTC. So you do that using your web browser. Let me show you how to. So here I am in Google Chrome. That is the browser I'm using. You may be using Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. But one thing all these browsers have in common, they have this space here on top where you have to enter what we call the website address. For LBTC, you type www.lbtc.ac.zm. You press enter. Here we are. On this web page which has opened, locate College Portal. It is on the top right corner of your screen. Here it is. It reads College Portal. Click on that. This is the login screen that will show. In user ID, you need to enter your ID and you also enter your password. It can't show because that is my secret. You click on log in when you are done with that. Now that is the screen which shows. It seems to show so many things and others may feel it is complicated, but it is actually pretty simple to use once you learn this. So locate menu. Right here it says menu with those 4 tiles. You click on that. Go to academics tab here. Click on that. Locate a caption that reads examination. Here it is in the 3rd column. This is the 1st column, 2nd, and you have this here. Now when you bring your mouse pointer here, there are these menu options which display. Ignore all those others. Move on to where it reads online exam. Click on that. Alright. Again here there are different options which show, but these others have to do with assessments you already created. For example, view online exam. We can't view anything because we haven't created anything. View exam results. We can't view exam results because no student has yet attempted. So our interest here is new online exam. Click on that. So you're going to give a name to this exam. Now it is called exam. It doesn't necessarily mean it is an exam. You can call it anything. It can be a quiz, it can be a review exercise. So for me, I'm going to call it review exercise. Okay, this is for lesson 1 review exercise. Start date. I want my students to write this test on well, they're going to open on 24th, and okay, I would want this assessment to be open to them on 27th. It can end the following day or on the same day. So end date, it means for how long is it going to be open. Okay, so I'm assuming maybe certain students may be late, may do late registration, so I'm going to click on 28th. Maximum time. Okay, so this is going to contain 10 questions, and I'm going to put maybe 10 minutes so that a student spends 1 minute for each question. But remember, this is just for example purposes. I only prepared 2 questions for illustration. So I'm going to put 3 minutes. Pass percent 50%. Okay, this is exam type, this is subject specific. And I'm going to select a term. So this is for a secretarial class. This is for a secretarial class, so I need to search through all these abbreviations of courses. Mine is this one, Certificate in Secretary and Office Management, April 2020 intake. So these are actually new students. So in case you don't know what your abbreviation is, you can ask the IT specialist, or you can ask any of us who will be able to assist you. You click on that, and this is going to be okay. Here it says select a subject. This is Introduction to Computers. Yeah, here it is. This is my subject, so I click on that. And exam format, this is an objective assessment. Okay, it's multiple choice. Alright, when I'm done with all that, and notice that when you selected a subject, it showed which students are available in this class. So for now, I just enrolled that student. For example purposes, we are still enrolling others. Okay, but when you are done, you click on create. Okay, online exam created successfully. So when this page displays, this is where you actually type the questions. So you can start typing your questions here. Now, this is where it becomes helpful for you to have prepared your questions offline, because all I'm going to do is, instead of beginning to type stuff here, I'll just start copying and pasting. So I already prepared my questions here. So this is the question. A computer commonly found in offices is there. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, just the question. I'll paste it in there. Don't indicate question 1, question 2 here, just enter the question. Okay, then you need to indicate your multiple choice here, where it says enter options here. So again, I already typed the choices. The first one is desktop, or if you wish, you can type it there. Now, I'm not going to copy A there. So, but when copying and pasting, okay, I just need to delete this. I don't need those other options. Okay, to remove this bullet, I'll just click here where it shows bullets. Okay, there it is, it has gone. Okay, so for this, I think typing will be easier for me. Laptop. Okay, so the first option is desktop, the second option is laptop. I want another option so that when it displays to a student, it can go up to A, B, and C. So I'll click on add option here. So what was the question again? A computer. Alright, okay, so here let me type mainframe. Okay, so I have created my questions, but I'm not yet done. I need to choose which one is the correct answer here. So let me pick this one. This is the answer. Then I need to indicate how many marks is the student going to get for this. Alright, I'm going to allocate 1 mark for each question. Alright, so when you are done, you click on create. Okay, so it has brought another blank page for you to enter the second question. So I'll go back to the things I typed. This is my second question. I copy, I go back to this, and I paste it here. One of the following is not an example of a computer. Which one is it? Okay, so let me indicate 1 mark in advance here, and let me enter the options. Let me see which ones I typed. Okay, analog watch, smartphone, tablet. Okay, so here I'm going to type analog watch. So this is for example purposes. I'm not getting very technical with how multiple choice questions have to be phrased and stuff like that. Then here wow, forgotten the question again. Okay, analog watch. Okay, another option. Okay, which one is the answer? Okay, analog watch. Okay, let me click that. Okay, so if I am done setting up all these questions, you can go up here. You see these words here, a chain of links being shown here. You can click on this, okay, just before create questions, this one, just to have a look at how your questions are looking like. You click on that, and there they are. This is how your questions are appearing. So if you feel all is set and everything looks fine, just click on more here and click on publish exam. Exam published. So that means students will be able to attempt this assessment when that day comes which you had scheduled. Alright, thank you. I hope this helps.